Here we are on the Ashby Canal, and we've seen these baby cygnets before, and the mommy and daddy are very, very comfortable with us. You put it up there, those little babies can't get it.
I'm giving a lot.
The babies are eating the little pieces of the pastry from a meat pie that we had for lunch. Ouch, that felt great.
They're competing with the babies for the food.
Yeah.
They are. Listen, we're feeding you. You should be nice to us. We're feeding you and your babies and your husband. Come on, come on.
I think that's the male right there. And I think that's the female.